Hello friends, let us see another example given in the previous GATE exam. So what is the given data? Find the critical angle of an infinite slope. Okay, we have to find the I value. In a clayey soil, having C is given, phi is given. So GS is given, 0.9 is given for the following cases. Soil is dry and the slope is submerged. So here we have to find the critical angle. So when we'll say critical angle, when your factor of safety is also equal to 1. So it is a C5 soil, isn't it? If it is a C5 soil, how to rate the factor of safety? C plus effective stress. Instead of writing gamma dash into H, I am saying it is a effective stress into cos square I into tan phi divided by C plus sigma, that means total components, cos I, sin I. Sorry, C is not there. Sigma into cos I into sin I. In the first case, we have to talk about the dry case. In the second case, we have to talk about the submerged. So let me write down them separately. If it is a dry case, your factor of safety will be equal to C plus just simply sigma. That means here it will be simply gamma into H into cos square I into tan phi divided by gamma into H into cos I into sin I. What are the given parameters here? F is known as 1, C is known as 20 kilonewton per meter square, and H is also given 5 meter, phi is also given 20 meter, 20 degrees. So you want to find out the I value. Then what about the gamma value? This is what we have to find out. So if it is a dry soil, how to find the dry density? Dry density will be equal to G divided by 1 plus C into gamma W. G value is given 2.72. E value is also given, so 2.72 divided by 1 plus wide ratio 0.9 into 9.81. Then you will get this as around 14.04. Then if you substitute in the above equation, then you will get factor of safety. Sorry, what you have to find angle of inclination, right? So the inclination you will get it is around 34 degrees. This is in the first case. In the second case, what we have to find? We have to find gamma saturation. What is the gamma saturation? G plus C. What is the G? G value is given as 2.72. Wide ratio is given as 0.9 divided by 1 plus E. E is 0.9 into 9.81. If we solve this, we will get it as around 18.69 kilonewton per meter cube. Right now, factor of safety is equal to 1. That will be equal to C value, that is given as 20. So here which parameter you have to use? Effective. Effective means 18.69 minus gamma W, 9.81 into what about the height? 5 meter into cos square I. This is what we have to find into tan. What is I value? Sorry, phi value is given as 20 degrees divided by. So in the bottom we have to use the submerged parameter. What is the submerged parameter? 18.69 into 5 into cos I into sin I. So if you solve this, you will get it as I value is around 23 degrees. So what is the option corresponding to it? 34 and 23. This is the correct option. So always remember, if it is a submerged, in the numerator, effective value, in the denominator, total value. Thank you.